In this review, we're looking at the company's latest standard smartphone, the Honor Magic 6 Pro. It's a jam-packed flagship, offering unheard-of battery prowess and some clever AI tricks you currently can't find on other phones in the same form. It's easily Honor's best regular phone to date, and it shows just how far the company has come in both hardware and software, even if the latter could see some more improvements. Since it's 2024, naturally, a big part of Honor's pitch for the Magic 6 Pro is its AI-powered features. For starters, Honor says it will eventually support the AI-powered eye tracking feature it teased at Qualcomm's Snapdragon Summit last year. Honor claims the feature will be able to spot when you're looking at notifications on the Magic Capsule interface at the top of the screen and open the relevant app without you needing to physically tap on it. It will be very interesting indeed to see how Honor draws the line between a glance and an intentional look. The phone is powered by the flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, coupled with ample RAM and storage, 12GB and 512GB, to be precise. That's coupled with the latest connectivity standards like Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, and even an IR blaster to control your TV. The Magic Capsule expands out of the pill-shaped cutout at the top of the phone. On the front, the big, pill-shaped selfie camera and biometric authentication array have finally been moved to the middle rather than the top left, which makes for a more symmetric design and works better with the status bar at the top. What's good about the Honor Magic 6 Pro? Refined hardware meets refined design. When you look at the Honor Magic flagship series, the Magic 6 Pro's lineage is clear. The phone exhibits the same huge camera array at the top of its back and a quad curved screen on the front. Despite this, Honor managed to significantly improve the hardware look and feel. The Magic 6 Pro has 3 rear cameras. The camera array fits much more neatly into the overall design of the back, with smooth curves and more intricate ornaments, making for a better transition that makes it feel properly embedded in the design and not just slapped on top. Honor also improved the balance of the device, making it a lot less top-heavy than its predecessors. Other AI-powered features include Magic Portal, which attempts to spot when details like events or addresses are mentioned in your messages and automatically link to the appropriate maps or calendar app. Honor also says it's developing an AI-powered tool that'll auto-generate a video based on your photos using a text prompt, which Honor claims is processed on device using its Magic LM technology. Aside from its AI-powered features, this is a more typical flagship smartphone. The Magic 6 Pro sports the company's second-generation silicon-carbon battery, which offers a higher energy density than regular lithium-ion batteries with their purely carbon-based anodes. This allows Honor to pack an impressive 5,600 mAh battery in the phone's thin body, making it an instant battery champion that can be fast-charged at up to 80 watts over a cable or 66 watts wirelessly. Speaking of the display, it's gorgeous. The 6.8-inch screen offers a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, allowing you to scroll through content buttery smooth. The screen is a 6.8-inch 120 Hz LTPO OLED display with a resolution of 2800 x 1280 and a claimed peak brightness of up to 5000 nits. The Magic 6 Pro also offers dynamic PWM dimming at 4320 Hz, meaning that the display flashes on and off at much faster rates to achieve lower brightness rates than many competitors. This helps some people who are sensitive to the way OLEDs lower the brightness with eye fatigue. The screen is protected by Honor's nanocrystal shield glass, which the company claims is 10 times stronger than regular glass. On the back, you get a trio of cameras built into the phone's massive circular camera bump. Its 50-megapixel main camera has a variable aperture that can switch between a depth of 1.4 and 2.0 depending on how much depth of field you want in your shots. That's joined by a 50-megapixel ultra-wide and a 180-megapixel periscope with a 2.5 times optical zoom. The whole device is IP68 rated for dust and water resistance, which is the highest level of protection you typically get on mainstream phones. The Magic 6 Pro has an excellent all-round display performance in all use cases. Has a best-in-class display motion management. Excellent rendering for HDR videos in low light. Impressive overall front camera quality in photo and video, with crisp details in group pictures. Excellent recording and strong playback for all use cases. With best-in-class wind noise and audio zoom performances. Excellent autonomy, lasting
Also, one
more
of the
than
other AI
3.5
features is the
days when
new
used
Magic
moderately.
Portal. You can press and hold
With
on a photo
outstanding
and
fast
drag it to
wired
the
and
portal
wireless
where it
charging
gives you
times.
different applications. For
The cons you
example,
might
with
experience
Google,
an
it
immediate
instantly
color
does
shift when
image
viewing
search. If you're
content from
browsing
an
the web
angle.
and you see an address,
A
you can
noticeable
press and hold
distortion in
onto it
audio
and then
playback.
drag this to the
Slight
Google Maps,
distortion in
and it
recordings of
instantly
loud
starts doing
concerts.
navigation. You can also
Inconsistent
drag
front
your
camera
screenshots to the
stabilization when taking videos.
Now let's talk about those cameras.